life action. Kafunya me on the woman. The camera no say my if. It's for mommy become a camera in no right. Mama woman. Everything for no vanche me pepa me camera in no kakra. Ah, zan pepa ni me ni my camera. Yes. Me camera in my if. It's na pepa ni. Everything for mama woman why. You do baby na. Adwuma no. It has over us. It has over us. Adwuma no na aye kesiye. It's move on. I think it's more than as a 6 months or so. Many life. Yes, actually. It didn't come much. It didn't go much. In some so in some more. Maybe I want you can join or join me. But you're not one of them, baby. I will share me be free. Any baby. Maybe I'll hear me free. But you're by no man, baby. Will hear me free on court and come. Move on, Jemmy. Move me a check on Facebook. Wow, Obe Banana, but you're on my high. Now, I'm a man who baby. I will share me be free. Adarum. Obanso na wa like na wa share. Obano like na wa share. Obano like na share. Your money. Papa ni anko menche bibre. Yeah. Good afternoon. Me did say obi a ho ye. Did say obi a ho ye. Nyame adom. Me nso me ho ye. Just se fe na mafem. Mafemo pa o nti. Everything for Oba now I like no share. Oba no like no share. Oba no like no share. Why? Oba no like no share because there are some issues I want to discuss with you. One or two issues that I have to discuss with you. I'm Douglas, watching you from London. Hey, I appear to miss. Right, dog. Oh, hey. London Abuchi, me brano. Also, or London, or London, and Wakoka. I'm Douglas. I'm watching you, but no like no share, but no like no share, but no like na. Washe na. Ye ko ye. I was saying for in some more. And I'm fan me court and comment me and my phone and TV. Me also uncle this time what happened and something happened as usual. So into your political season, you do say the Anna. I be oh, but me who say oh she be London up to. Never akusi and never akusi. Ghana, that is how it is. Dina ya debi ameka say. So what's Ghana? Now I'm away and now na ubikuwa. Wakun free of charge. Yes, I always tell you people that. Say Ghana Hayatun. Say one free no ubikuwa. Wakun free. And mekaya number phone because wakun free because our system is working, but it's not really working. Because the Fenikoche 10 years. Na Henry Henry Aquaba. Oh, Brian Henry Aquaba. Pachoba no share why. She some muffin. One was a muffin. Henry Pacho Remy Fini fan. The Kufenik Orchard. And as at now, in Timmy and ye. Bibian found yen chill beer. But a ray, me person me trim one green see and ye may be a air cost when that is our topic I be discussing. Mental health and the law. And me, I'm a black one before. I have set time and occasion. USA, Brian Henry. I have said time several times to say a kwan Ghana ha ye faso na your mental issues young fan is serious no. It's a big worry to me. It's a big worry to me in the sense that I have witnessed several cases. Those cases never court ankusi bebia because onipa ni die ewu. Onipa ni pra obi. Owie ye no. Enye se busuafo onimu, abusuafo onim. Pa 100% say sebi onipa no na adwemu kam o adwemu yare. But we never took it serious. The community as a whole, the Busianfo as a whole, the assembly now as a whole, and even the country in general, we don't take things seriously. I am giving you examples. Yet NKOMO ha, Enna, Abranti be a friend Richard Appiah. Me can Richard Appiah be a one shade Abisim, Abranti, 27-year-old gentleman. Enna Abranti, etwitwa nkwala mienu kun wom. Me ka so etwitwa okun nkwala mienu no do share. Ode nam ne share fridge. Ba ko de ode ne ti saa ene share fridge. Enna ba ko otwitwa ne nam no ode share fridge. And if you trace back the story, na story obi government na not seno enim so adwumi yare to the extent the say boy wetimi che ne papa share them. Now nobody complained. The sad aspect of this whole story is say papa no call report say ma police for be boy say the na psychiatric hospital and ni could do hospital ho they say waka papa no police for no mu kwa kodidi aba omkoya o mama bi papa ne couldn't control ne ban ntino na say ojai ne ban na ne ban and ne ho kanwura eno ano no. This boy went and never came back. Ne coming back and nkwala no be kun. Ne coming back and nkwala na obi kun wom ewo eho no. You see, papa ne coming back and nkwala na oba be kun etwitwa wo na e de share fridge. We don't take our mental issues serious. No, we don't take it serious. Serious one bit, we don't take it. Now this gentleman is before the court. Court did RFA say in psychiatric hospital. He did not go psychiatric hospital. But toss the same mere. Abranti and the say on high and see now wash your nima. Or besho wenima fisamini ya maabo abia 6. Or besho wenima fisamini ya maabo abia 10 anadro. He doesn't care. Ombuneni. And one say, wash away. Doctors say, yeah, man, a dream. Nah, maybe we can correct it. Wakunkwalami, you know, a same kwalam. Now, Nkwalami, you know, will they come back? No. We want justice for them. The justice that we want for them or not. I am saying this because yet Ghana ha and a funny face. Yeah, you have a funny face. I started. Or threatening Nipa left, right, center. My name friend. Oh. Or threatening Nipa left, right, center. And I had social media, and we are joking of it. Our Busian, the Busian is aware. He lives in a community, the community is aware. And even with funny face, Wayena publicly, I'm going to say, the guy needs everybody's help. Ofafuna, not ever seen and him said, they made me phone a sim and me knew we didn't come away. We're threatening medical, we're threatening. He's just going about threatening people. And it seems nobody seems to care. Nobody seems to care. Nobody seems to care. More than critical. This is a critical because of threatening for. Meaning say you're trying to say funny face and run a home say and now say Oma wa threatening woman on fe to unko obi fie. And now fan krante unko obi fie. Onku ni pan sana. Yehunu say, no, our brother needs help. Maminche wade. Ye womra wo Ghana ha. The Mental Health Act no. Act 84. Hey omra wo. Hey ukoto wachi kure ho mra wo. Wacha ukakoto edi. Amen no ho mra. Our Mental Health Act no. Act 846. Miria, go and Google and see. Our Mental Health Act. You see, Ghana Penifo, I think it is time say, ye chi binum to an bo machi ma. Ye bo machi ma. This is an election year. No, they talk as if say they are not even in the country. They don't care. Ye womra waha. The Mental Health Act, kwabontin kwere sebe, ye nuanu me wa dream yare woman na montin so. Nipa ewa dream yare enam montin so. Sebe mameka sa bodamfo a enam abontin. We don't even care about them. Yes, some need to go to psychiatric hospital. Nobody cares about them. What they eat, what they wear. Ebusiafo nanka sakra no. Ye nkonko hwewom, ye nkonko srawom. Now so ye wo mra wo Ghana ha ye tintim samra na. E yo bia sudi aboso me so ye tua neka. Ye di misika kakra. Ye di wusika kakra. Ye de tua sankofo neka. And nobody seems to care. Nobody seems to care. Let me take you through. Act 846, Mental Health Act 2012. Section 73(1). I say a police officer may remove a person to a facility or mental health facility for assessment under a certificate of urgency if that person is found in a public place appearing to be suffering from mental disorder and is highly aggressive or showing out of control behavior and appears to require immediate care, control, and treatment. Well, one session. And Monday, this was the topic I was going to treat on Court NKOMO. A police officer, Ghana, there were police officers. A police officer. So the funny face is common. Any police officer can go and take funny face to where? To a mental hospital. Because Oshoi highly aggressive and also out of control behavior. The funny face here. Aggressiveness and yes, what knife and I say to no. To threaten anybody on any encounter. To threaten anybody on any encounter. 2. And a police for the 2 or say family members, caregivers, health professionals, social welfare officers, and any other citizen may seek the assistance of the police. And to say, yin mianoma ya for na omo adrimu yare. Eya police for asudi. Even se busunya 4% the funny face call hospital. They need the assistance of the police. Even though if they want to take funny face to the hospital, they need the assistance of the police. Family members, caregivers, health professionals, social welfare officers, and any other citizen may seek the assistance of the police to take a person to a facility or mental health facility under a certificate of urgency in a situation where that person in a public place is highly aggressive. And what are we doing? What are we doing? Warrant to search for and remove persons with mental disorder. TWA, where it appears to a court on information on oath given by a person that there is reasonable cause to suspect that the person believed to be suffering from mental disorder is or has ill-treated, neglected, or kept otherwise under. And see, we cry the obia, you didn't call court and kasa. Offender with mental disorder. Near funny face here, what they funny say, what threatening we pray will be. We pray will be kesiye. And Nancy said we deal because the issue of threat, into just say more threatening woman. So who face to face on your bibiana. Say nipa na what threatening woman abubo mu dia threatening woman, edidi wo matem threatening woman. Eno, ujidi pass as a funny face yam one on one. On your bibiana. Nti imagine say why your bibi. Imagine say abisima branti. Imagine say boy ya okobubu state wi. Boy ya okobubu the big sex state dust no. Imagine say this boy e ye nipa 6 and a time of far hammer no fee. Or nanti fee chopolio so do wenya. At the bar airport ha o share nipa e wo kwan so e na trigger ye e se hammer no on fan time crofo on fan moron crofo enku crofo a ye de ne call court ya o behave this way no anka ye be ne dem we ku nipa 6 and the critical one and a clerical example e ya bisim we ku kwala miem ene onamo enye so onamo o police custody but e be kwa kosi sen. A person arrested for a criminal act in police custody shall be assessed by a mental health practitioner within 4 hours of munisika. Ghana Police Service munisika. Ain't no, yet you will be no mental health issue. Said you were a dream area, na a problem. I have a hala. Boy, you could move a tracy. They say, I be a Ghana Police Service munisika. I'm going to court. I'm going to mental health hospital, psychiatric hospital. Because you're cheap boy, no. Ne mama no kre ubisa 20 Ghana kra wunya bimo. Boy no so yese ne papa so udida. So nothing is working in the country. And politicians are left, right, center. And then we say me demonstration. But now we say me say, yeah, as citizens, you know. I know it is our civic responsibility, but the affected men, does it affect the politician? Go to court and check the Galamsey cases. On my only bit to send me anyone, yen you go to form a good my chain. Yen you go to my chain. One yachano. I shall want to buy a chair, I shall want you, Kumasan. I shall want not sit China. No, Numeri Forest. No, he doesn't know them. She doesn't know them. Obina so I shall want at the Nekoy. Somebody took I shall want them. Obi dying of better name. Somebody housed her. Baby, that's easy. 3 years I go bubu. Have we ever sat down to analyze it? That place is a security zone. That place is a security zone. Into a branch and you go Ebu 3 first one. Yeah. Ubu second one. Yeah. Ubu third one. Yeah. Ubu fourth one. Yeah. Fifth one. Yeah. The 6th one. And somebody saw it. You who the first thing that person did was to take the phone and video. And from a reliable source, it was a taxi driver who videoed it. Now the guy is suffering. He has a mental issue. And even though mental issue now we're deep on cramp no. And then Sikaya didn't go hospital for treatment. Even for full medical examination to ascertain say indeed the guy is sick. Because when me many my dress come here, it won't me many can say I'm a normal. No. Maybe I'm a dress come. But not be you get my point. So unless only a psychiatrist could tell me, say, Ama, baby, what dress come about? And then I'm going to But here is the case. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. And it's serious. It is so serious and nobody cares. Nobody cares about it. Crack, 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 crack. Crack, 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 crack. Are we serious? Are we saying for? Let me leave this issue and tackle another issue. Recently, I did a story, and I'm shocked to tell you, say, Kofobi Brawari Ukrumha, only a private wedding, almost private marriage certificate. I can confidently tell you, after doing that story, I can tell you, say, Kofobi Britigan, her home come fake marriage certificate. Member company needing show, but the guy has been remanded. And he works with a law firm as a clerk to that firm. He works at a law firm as a clerk to that firm. Now, what to say? Oh, if I'll be who? I'm a black one for. I'm a na. Oh yeah, lawyer or her. See you person be who am. Now be who am and I'm a person. Cobra. Boss, watch out to do in one. The way say, obesi actually. Is actually. Our no marriage certificate. And he's been able to do it for as many people as he could. A 4G judge's Bikra signature, High Court judge's signature, and a 4G was here, which is very serious. Which is very, very, very serious. In Zimbabwe, marriage certificate in the crown. I know about her pattern. I know about you because one real. That could be a catch to Jawa and I ever catch to Jawa for certificates now. One way and I say, what you're wrong with. No, you fake certificates in the crowd. No, fake certificates. I was here for no craning and me say. Me, I am getting worried in this country. Yes, I am getting worried in this country. But my anxiety up, especially with the youth. My anxiety up. Henry Amankwa, also a refugee USA, and Pierre Chumesi from London. Pierre Chumesi from London, and Henry Amankwa, all the way from USA. Mr. Amankwa, we have a call there. And no more for them. Them. Hey. We everywhere them. I was here for to say cause NKOMO. We are coming back on social media again. Like seriously. Yes, see. Pacho, join me and let's start. See, I'm a partner in yes, I be most anyway. And you do it most time. I think and you may never boy. And you may never boy. I'm very, Mamma no. Cheers. That is my favorite. My brad. Caught in common say and you may. Kakra. Let's start somewhere. You just to kakra because TV no TV train. Baba no pa. Court about Sunday news nearly, but the same. We want to come back. Then start something because it's a course. Grofonia number bombing. Grofonia me. Number bombing. Social media na mejayen. Simpacho. George Gates watching you from San Diego, California. Whoa, thank you. But now I like no I share why. One like a page no man. Now man share. Unsubscribe to YouTube no so I don't remember. What the videos bebree wɔ hɔ yɛde videos egu hɔ TikTok nso wobɛtumi follow me the lawyers scoop wobɛtumi follow me ɛwɔ hɔ George Gates megye di sɛ biribiara ɛyɛ bɔkɔɔ ɛwɔ hɔ ɔsɛ watching live from San Diego California. Thank you so much nti mpatwɔ unlike yɛ mpatwɔ no like it na washare ɛde ama me. So this time I'll try say every evening either from 8 going or Mondays are excluded because of Monday it is streaming live court nkɔmmɔ ɛde amount Mondays there yɛntumi nhyia but you will try say quick update in the back out ɔkyena korɔ na nso mewɔ judgment baako it's an old case boy bi a wɔkum ne girlfriend ɛwɔ Legon because ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔno ɔde girl no kɔ school tua girl no school fees ɔsɛ no tua girl no school fees ɛna girl no ɛkyiti ohun sɛ obi bɛka kyerɛ no sɛ girl no ɛkyiti ɔsɛ obi bɛka kyerɛ no sɛ girl no ɛkyiti ɛwɔ ne so nti no ɔde abufuo ɛna ɛkɔkum girl no and interestingly ɔkɔ efie hɔ no wankɔto bɛrima bi a wɔ hɔ ɔkɔ girl no hostel wankɔto bɛrima bi a wɔ na nea ɔyɛɛ ne sɛ opieeɛ ɛkɔtɔɔ knife ɛna ɔsan bɛɛ efie bɛkum ɛde knife no bɛwɔwɔ girl no kum girl no na nyame yɛ adom a yɛwie te sɛ jury members no they are back from their their long ɛka na ɔmkɔdan ɔmkɔdan ka long ɛka dan na ɔmkɔdan na ɔmkɔdan aban ka nti ɔmaba back nti nyame yɛ adom a ɔkyena the jury members will do their first sitting nse me ahia na obenya saa system jury members they are back see nyame adom a ɔkyena nyame adom a the jury members will bring their first verdict se bibia koye their first verdict will come out say ɔkyena nyame wa yenwie summing up ne ntem dia any the verdict in the baba so ɔkyena nyame I have two courts so one at the circuit court and one at the high court. So that is it. Richard Appiah, Abisim case maybe so court. Then James Jachi question sexy dondo. He resume my baby this year. I may add my baby sexy dondo market by November, October. You back in October. By ending of October or first week in November, he baby sexy dondo. Yes, you be sexy dondo. Anyway, I can promise you that me and Nasser. Movanche me network is very bad. Me and Timmy say the network. The network is very bad. Movanche me. Okay, now you know what was happening. It's quite a number. Mumfa enche me network no I. Basta. Oh, I was a mama me famu ensia. Nyankopon shram yebesina George Gates that is me friend me am abrakwan for high court NKOMO TV you betimi follow court NKOMO YouTube on Facebook and also on TikTok court NKOMO TV court_NKOMO but my personal page on TikTok the lawyers scoop don't say small gay be or to say me small girl be to say me a big girl that one is small girl be and the lawyers scoop don't say small girl be atade green be eto as we pose bi sa so be visa na so please you can like it, you can follow me on the network and very bad. There was a mom family I'm function network my ABB into Henry from USA, then Miami Bra Appiah Douglas, then George Gates. George, we didn't hear me George Gates. Ginger. Becomes a ginger. So thank you so much. And NKOMO. So if you have any challenge, if you have any issue, if you want a lawyer, if you have an issue and you want to discuss with me, I bet you know my number already. My production line you can call the production line as well, then you are good to go. So for I don't know if anybody has any question or suggestion, you can kindly WhatsApp me with it, or if anything, you can please follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook. Ama Braku on Facebook. Ama Braku. That is personal page on Facebook. Ama Braku on Facebook. And you can as well follow Court NKOMO TV on Facebook. Court NKOMO TV on Facebook. Every Monday, Court NKOMO. Yeah, TV so Angel TV. Angel TV by streaming Angel 102.9 FM on Facebook. Angel 102.9 FM on Facebook. Say nyame adom you be streaming Bujango, Movanjemi. Network and I video. The network is very bad. Next year, far in here. But if you have any question, please let me give 2 minutes. If you have any question, please you can write it in the comment section. I will read it and answer you. Oh, case Bia, what's in Nkache, case Bia, what's in Nkache? You want me to talk about that case? You court will legal break. Court will legal break. So the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, and the High Court is on break. By High Court, there was some selected courts. Vacation courts. You see, almost 30. Those courts are certain. Those courts are certain, yes. So there's all these courts, the Supreme Court, the Court of Appeal, and the High Court are on legal break. See, Nyame Eya Doma, and I know. So start a pool. As a community question, optional. Start a pool. So the pool I want to start, I don't want to start any pool. Okay, so example, Menda Masi, na mem fam in share there. So, Madam Munyanasi, and I have a good news, but at the right time I'll tell you. I'll tell you guys. Mama Bompire Mammy na Onyamokasi. I thank you for your support. It has not been easy. Yes. It has not been easy from day one. They started Court NKOMO, Church of Shadrach, Bronya Koko. Hey, Bronya Koko. I don't know if you are still in this country, but you're Church of Shadrach, Bronya Koko, Charles, Archery. Yes, Charles Archery, Bronya Koko, and down for. So it's not easy. I know thousands and hundreds of people have really prayed for me, and they are still praying for me. See, Nyankopon Nhyira mo. I am so grateful to everybody and anybody who has helped me in one way or the other, and especially my daddy, Benasari. Daddy, I love you so much. Nyankopon Nhyira mo. You have been a blessing to my life from day one. You have been a blessing, great blessing to my life from day one. To the extent of even my friends, you have been a blessing to everybody. I'm grateful. Mommy, Nyankopon Nhyira mo. Nyankopon Nhyira mo. And one of my sweetest aunties, Auntie Angela. Auntie, I love you so much. Nyankopon Nhyira mo. When you know USA, Minnesota, Nyankopon Nhyira mo. Nyankopon Nhyira mo. I am grateful. My name is Anemi Mumpe, but let me say it. I am grateful. I am grateful. And I thank you. Ooh. My name Papa we. I'm not going to show. Yes, Papa we. veteran pa Albert Jackson Davis. Whoa, rest in peace, big man. Ochenya me adoma. Me boyfriends ne baako wawu no. Yebekwa koye no 1 week e Kumasi. You gentle. This handsome young man. About you. I don't know how me and I'm doing. You gentle. Light now reflects so only me. Yes. You gentle. This guy. So nyame ya adom a ochina Kumasi yeso onwe oh braya yaw twida mpo nyankopon for crying. You know I love you, but God loves you best. Sebusia for infancy. Yemfa nsia na me admire best. Bye bye.